Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. So on today's video, like you guys seen on the title, I'm using so many new products for you guys. I'm testing them out. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the shirt or maybe it's the lip color, but it's making me feel like a señora, like an older lady, you know? Like I am around my 40s and I'm not. So that's how I feel like it, but it looks really elegant at the same time. I really like it. Comments down below. What do you guys think of this look? Would you guys rock this or not? Let me know. So let's jump right into this video. Before we start, you guys, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and turn your notifications on so you know when I upload new videos. So all right, you guys, so this is going to be basically everything new. I moved my vanity just to get more inspiration. I'm using a new mic and I'm testing it out to see if it's worth it, if it's good or whatever. But we're going to begin with my lips. I'm going to moisturize them because I swear they need to moisturize. So Pop Beauty sent out this plump pout and the packaging is so freaking cute. I feel like I always say that, but it looks like an ice and I'm sure you're gonna feel that tingly sensation. But this was because it has like the plumping. It smells like mint. So the new product that I'm going to be using for my face is by Pixie Beauty. You guys, look at how gorgeous is this packaging. So it says brightening, vitamin C, balancing, a nourishing oil, and a priming oil. So it's like 2 in 1. I'm guessing this is like everything. The vitamin C right here, I guess the oil for us to nourish, and the primer. I don't know, but for sure we gotta mix it. Yep, so make sure every time you have like some type of oils like that, they have like 3 stuff, make sure you freaking mix it because if not, you won't get anything. But aside from that, you guys, the reason why my video's late is because the last time that I was filming for you guys and I was done with the eyes, that's why I just posted the eye tutorial, and my face was like, I feel like it was burning and it was like scaling, you know, like how snakes they shed. Well, my skin was shedding. It's because I was using a retinol like non-stop from a cosmetics. I don't even know where I put it at, but I put it away. But my skin is too sensitive for that, so I began using this Green Goddess facial oil from Avon, and it just helps with redness to balance and nourish. It's like really good, you guys, and it has 100 grams of CBD. It's plant-based ingredients. It's calming and soothing. It promotes natural radiant skin balance. You guys, this oil is so freaking good. If you know an Avon lady, you get yourself that oil because it's so freaking good. It says glow like a goddess. Naturally, our facial oil is powered by CBD, cannabis, blah blah blah. This miracle oil is visible to reduce redness, relieves irritation, balances oil, and helps treat dryness. It leaves sensitive, troubled skin looking healthy and radiant, and it does all that. My skin started healing up within 2 days because it was red. It looked like I got a sunburn from the retinol. Oh my god, my oil. It looked like I got a sunburn. That oil and this oil by Derma E, the anti-wrinkle treatment oil that I'm always using on my videos, it helps so much, you guys. It saved my skin. So finally my skin is back to normal. So this one, that's why I feel like you have to test like a patch to see if you're allergic to anything. It's like watery. It's not oily, it's just watery. And lately too, I haven't been wearing foundation for like a week. I just been applying this all over my skin and just nice and glowy. So now for foundation, guys, I am going to be applying the Color Stay by Revlon, which is normal to dry skin. And this finish is the natural finish. Now, I know I have talked about the matte one, which I'm not a fan of, like I told you guys, because it seemed like it was cakey and it was just really dry on my skin. So this one, I'm going to test it out on a video for you guys. And the color, which I told you guys it was too light, it actually works for me. So the color for this one is in vanilla. I'm just going to apply some on my hand. And my skin, I would consider it to be more on the normal side. It's not dry, it's not oily, it's just balanced. And it's on the watery side. It's not so thick or anything. You guys, I am so freaking pissed because I have a new product from NYX Cosmetics, the Marshmallow Primer. And oh my god, I look so busted. Be right back. Okay, so I just removed it where I usually apply primer, you guys, because I really want to try this with you guys. So this one is the Marshmallow Primer, and I have a little book right here telling me about it. It's 10-in-1 multitasking primer. It's infused with marshmallow root extract. That's when I'm like, what the heck? I didn't know that exists. Smells like baby, like a baby powder. So I really did want to try this on a video. Ooh, that's a lot. So I usually apply around my nose area, right here, like a little white cast. All right, so now moving on to foundation, back to where I was. Let's just apply this bad boy again. I tried finishing my face because I don't have anything like brand new right now that it's like contouring and powders or anything. I mean, I do have a powder that's new to me, which is the Laura Mercier in Honey, which I love, and I also love my Airspun. So I've been reaching out for the Honey one because it just has a tint to it. Now moving on to the brows, you guys, I did receive some new products. So I received the brow glue. Now this one retails for $8, and it says that it holds up to 16 hours. So that was just like $8 and 16 hours. So then we got the Lift and Snatch. Now this one retails for $11, and it also says that it's up to 16 hours, micro hair-like strokes, and it's a flexible pen. So I have been trying this bad boys. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I told you guys about this. I have been loving them, but I haven't uploaded like a video like this. So what I've been doing this one first, the pen, and then I've been just applying this to lay everything out, and then also try this and this. I still don't know which one I like better, but with you guys, I'm gonna do the pen first. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna brush my brows. Then look at how the pen is really precise. So I feel like it's really, really light for me, but it doesn't look as bad. And I feel like at the same time that this is really flexible, like the hair strokes are not as like the Benefit Brow Pencil. Can you guys see the color difference? This one is really brown, and then look at mine. Mine's really dark. So now moving on to the brow glue, and I liked how this doesn't dry. If I were to get one of these products, it would just be the glue, because I feel like the pen is not as precise as I would like it to be. And there you guys have them. What do you guys think? Let me know. All I did was clean them up with some concealer, but I don't like the fact, and this does not go away because I have already tested it out, that they kind of look wet, don't they? They kind of look like if the glue is still not dry, like it stays like that throughout the whole day. So I don't know. I wouldn't get the pen. I think the pen is what makes it look wet. Let me show you guys. Like, you see how watery it is? Like, it doesn't dry. To me, it doesn't dry. So let me know if you try this, what do you think? Because the pen I wouldn't get. I would get, like I said, this one. If you just want, you know, your natural brows on the go, if you're blessed, this is good. So now moving on to eyeshadows, you guys. I did get a new palette from Pixie Beauty. You guys, this palette is just so freaking pretty. In the back, it has the name of the eyeshadows and the blushes. So look at that. The colors are just like your everyday colors. Start off by applying, I'm going to start off with this shade right here, and I'm just going to grab this Morphe brush, which is the M513. Also did learn that this eyeshadows are infused with primer, so you really don't need an eyeshadow primer. So I mean, you guys know that I don't even use eyeshadow primer, I just use concealer. Bring it outwards. Alright, so after I apply Decadent, I'm going to apply Take a Dip, which is more of a white one, I would say, creamy. And I'm just going to be applying this under my brow bone. Now, taking the shade Indulge is a really pinky bronze color, and I'm just going to apply that with a flat shader brush and just apply that on my lid. And that will instantly like bring some light. The shadows are really pigmented, and they are really, really creamy as well. Now I am applying After Dark, and it's the darkest shade on the palette. And I'm going to be using this M514 brush, which is a smaller just blending brush. And I just focus that on the outer part of my lid. And whatever's left, bringing it inwards. Just a tiny bit on the crease. This one is so pigmented, so make sure you start off with a little bit, because if you start off with just a lot real quick, it's going to be hard to take it off. Now, taking a flat shader brush, I'm going to apply the same shadow at the bottom, just smoke it out. So I'm using After Dark with a eyeliner brush and just winging it and smoking my lash line. Instead of using eyeliner, I'm also winging it inward, that nice cat eye effect. So, all right, you guys, moving on to mascara. Everyone and their mama in the neighborhood has been talking about the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Mine's already dirty because I've been trying it out so much. So I feel like you will be able to see more if I don't have any eyeshadow, but hopefully you guys can see that my lashes are super tiny and they're like always down. So I already curled them. So that is just with one coat. I hope you guys can see the difference. If not, let me know in the comments down below and I will make a separate review video for just this little mascara that everyone has been loving. But I do like it. I like the fact that they look, just for the fact that they look really tall but not as voluminous, they just look long. There we go, they look long. Another one that I have been loving is this one, which is the SELFIE's Big Bad Lash by Revlon. That one makes them longer and it gives them volume. So next time I'll show you guys how that one works, or I think I have already. I have already showed you guys in the video. And there you guys have it. I did top and bottom, 2 coats on the top and just 1 at the bottom. I feel like if you do have just a little bit of eyelashes, this will be just like your go-to mascara to just go out the door. And that's what I've been doing, you guys. I've been putting my Avon oil on my face and then this mascara, and I've been good. So I am really liking this mascara, but I'm gonna put some lashes, you guys. You guys know me, so I'll be right back. You see, you guys, major difference, and I am using the Too Faced lashes in Natural Lift. They are new, but they're not new to you because I have been promoting them because I freaking love them. So I'm about to pop my other lash, but as you guys see, it does make a difference because I have like a smoky eyeshadow going on and you want your lashes to stand out. If not, your eyes will look really little, in my opinion. Alright, so moving on to the face, I'm going to be applying the New York blush. This one is more on the shimmery side. Blend everything. So I have the new products from Milani Cosmetics, the Color Fetish Shine lipsticks, and they're all vegan, 100% vegan. So I have been using this one, which is in color 110 Lustrous. The packaging is so luxurious to me. I feel like there's a lot of expensive brands that sell lipsticks like this, but let's see this color. And you guys better tell me if it looks good. It's so freaking creamy. Oh my goodness. The bad thing that I'm so upset that out of all these, they didn't come out with a clear because it's so freaking moisturizing. So that's the only thing that I'm upset. And here is the completed look, you guys. What do you guys think? I ignore the redness. I love it. I feel like a older lady with this lip color. I mean, it's not me, but it goes with the look, it goes with the shirt. By the way, you guys, this shirt, it's from Amazon. It's so freaking pretty. It's so pretty. It's silk. I just didn't do this yet, but it's silk, and I will have an Amazon. Finally, I think this is my first time doing an Amazon haul soon, you guys, on my channel. I bought this cute shirt and just other like more casual loungewear for the house, you know, since most of us are staying at home. I mean, this is my day-to-day life, so nothing changed around here. But I hope you guys like this look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I just feel like I'm ready to go to someone's party, someone's baby shower. This is like baby shower to me appropriate. Like, I look like a señora. Like, I look older. This color, imagine if it was just nude. It's the lip. It's the lip what's making me older. So I hope you guys love this look. I hope you guys love the products. I love watching videos like this, which is like testing out new products. Before I go, you guys, I also received this new F Germs by Spread Love and Not Germs. So it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, sulfate-free, and I have a discount code for you guys, which is just Adrilunamakeup 10. But everything, when you purchase this, 10% of the proceeds go to pandemic research and relief. So I really like the packaging, and who in the world does not feel like that about the germs? So I hope you guys like this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.